Go home happy with the 2021 Honda CR-V. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, electronic stability control, alarm, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler, traction control. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.